Very good.
Very good. Good. How did you do?
Okay, I mean, I swear she was there.
Awesome. Awesome. How did you do?
Good.
Good. See, you guys are so good.
Call your husband
You're
over
so
there.
good. Okay, so this is a really important work for me because when people do this exercise, a lot of times they realize that they weren't maybe listening, and they were, preoccupied, and listening is one of the first things, one of the first steps of empathy, and it's very difficult for most people to be actively listening well enough that they can retell the story. So when you know that your partner is really carefully and with care and love listening to you, and they can repeat it as if they went through the experience alone themselves. Empathy, that Dr. Paul Zaki, who's is one that studied empathy, and another doctor that Paul Zak, I'm sorry, and another one that another psychologist who's been studying empathy for 15 years. His name is also Dr. His name is Zak, not Zaki. He did some significant work around empathy in his